working all night for you. Nah, I'm working all night. I'm working all night. I'm working all night for you. Nah, I'm working all night. I'm working all night.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Michael out here with another video, and well, it's a Jeep video. And well, it's kind of like this project's already kind of mostly in progress. It's almost done, actually. I'm putting on fog lights, so let me show you guys what's up. I'm getting rid. Actually, you know what? I've got one of the fog lights out. Let me show you. I'm getting rid of these right here. These old dusty fog lights that didn't work. The wiring in them is messed up, and I figured instead of chasing electrical problems on my fog lights, I'm just gonna put in these little pods. Now, I ordered 4 of them, and I thought about putting them, you know, side by side. Like, if I come down here, hopefully y'all can see that with the light, but I thought about putting one there and one there, but they don't quite fit. They're just a little too wide, and so I gotta just put one in the center, which is okay because, check out this. They actually don't look that bad. I've got this one already installed. Let me get the flashlight out, though, because that glare is going to be killer. But you guys can see, I mean, that's pretty clean. I mean, with all exceptions. You know, I mean, it's a little light in a big hole, but I mean, I can always, the cool thing about these is the way they're set up is, and I'm leaving myself plenty of slack with the wire so that I can always come through, I can clip the connections, and then I could add, like, let's say, you know, because these are like, I think like 2-inch light pods, I think they're called. I can switch them to like a 4-inch or a 6-inch if I wanted to, and I think I might do that in the future. But I had these 4 2-inch light pods laying around, and I didn't really know what to do with them. And I figured since my fog lights have never worked, I'll throw 2 of them in there, and then that way, the wiring's already done. I've been using, let me grab it. I've been using this mic tuning wiring harness. And I'll kind of show you how I've ran that. I'll have to use that flashlight, but I was thinking the other 2 lights, people call them reverse lights, whatever. I call them FU lights if someone's riding your ass, you know. Boom, boom. Okay, just right here, and right, if I can get over here, right there. Okay, or maybe on the roof rack. I don't really want to put anything on the roof rack because I like to maximize my storage, but you never know. So anyway, guys, that's kind of what's going right now. Man, it has been a long time. I've been out here for about a day straight working on it. But let me show you guys kind of how my wiring's coming together. I should probably close that electrical connectors box before it tips over, and then I'm really screwed. Okay, so there's the relay that everything's hooked to. Okay, you can see these 2 things go over there. We'll cover those in a minute. My ground and power come over here. They come under the engine coolant tank. They come, the ground comes right to the body ground right there. That's where my light bar's in, and things like that. My power comes into the fuse box. There's 2 terminals inside the fuse box. And my light bar and my rock lights are already tied into those. So I tied my fog lights into the other one. And let's show you guys where those black wires go. And that's going to be the only thing. I have not figured out how I'm going to manage those cables yet. So I've got to kind of figure that out. But those cables come from here. And then one goes back into this rubber grommet back here under the dash, which, by the way, biggest pain in the world, dude. I probably spent majority of this project, probably a good quarter of this project so far, just doing that. Just getting it through the hole, let alone ran through the dash, just through the hole. Because it's so hard to get to, because you guys can see, I probably don't need that. You have this brake fluid reservoir, and then you have this box, and I'm not exactly sure what this does. I think it's like the evap for the AC, but I'm not 100% on that, because it does say like evap pressure release right here. I don't know what this is. I've been asking people like, on groups on Facebook what that is. I'm not sure, so if you know what that is, you know, let me know. But anyway, so yeah, that runs up into there, and then I'll show you the switch. But then this other wire runs down along this side and runs down through a hole I've got. Let me move some wiring around. So my air box is all types of messed up, right? And it's missing a couple bolts. In fact, there's only one bolt holding my air box in, and that's kind of why I'm planning on getting a new air intake, one that's just better for airflow. And also, I mean, I like having Jeep logos under the hood, but like, I really just kind of want a K&N performance air filter, maybe get 8 horsepower out of it. It'd be nice. Also, I do have a fan on the way. You guys probably can't see down under there with my tools there, but there is no clutch fan in this Jeep. There's only an electric fan, and so it allows it to run hot. It gets really, really hot, and then the electric fan kicks on when it gets to a certain temperature, cools it down. But that's the problem. It's getting really hot and then cooling down, then really hot and then cooling down. And it's been, it's been doing that for about, the year that I've had it. And so we can't be having that. So I've got actually a racing performance fan, and it's gold, of all things, just to be super flashy. I've got it coming. So it's a Summit Racing fan. We're going to throw that baby on. I've already got the clutch here. Basically, I bought the clutch and the fan, but, my dad bought the clutch and the fan. The right clutch came, wrong fan. So I ordered the fan, and I'm just going to pay him for the clutch. Anyway, so these wires come down through one of the bolt holes that the bolt's not there anymore. And my rock lights do the same thing, actually. And then we'll go look down in here. You can see they come out of there, and they go down my wheel well, down into there, which, let me get under there and kind of show you guys what's going on. Alrighty, guys. So we're under the Jeep now, and as you can see, the wire comes down, connects into the back there, and goes into the light, which is bolted down. Pretty simple. It's pretty zip tied, to keep everything tight. Right now I'm currently running the wires for the one on this side. Let me flip y'all over here. That's the old fog light. I still got to take that one out and wire it all up. And then should be ready for batteries. So yeah, let me get out from under the Jeep real quick. Alright guys, so we're back up top. Let me show y'all what we're rocking with on the inside. Now I know I don't have like a light or nothing, but basically that's the switch. And for now I don't think I'm going to drill a hole in my dash just yet, because I'm not sure if I like them. So I'm just going to kind of leave it dangling there. I'm the only one that really drives it normally, so, the passengers don't really have to care, and obviously I don't care. But yeah, so that's kind of the project so far. Been going pretty good, if I do say so myself. I'm going to get a little bit more put together. I'm going to get this fog light out and kind of show, and, kind of go from there, and, I'll catch you guys up in the video at a later point, so, yee. Alright guys, we're back out here, and as you saw the one before, let's go look at this one. Bam! It's all, I'll show you kind of what I did underneath the Jeep. Let me throw on some safety goggles, because a lot of rust and dirt falls out. I don't want to hurt my eyes. Alright, so we're up under here, and as you can see, that one's all hooked in, zip tied up. Let me scoot up here a little bit. So it's zip tied, comes along the front of the bumper, up until there. I gotta secure it somehow right here. This stuff's kind of dangling out, but not too bad. Not too bad for like a random kind of thrown together wiring job. So yeah, let me get out from under here real quick. Alright guys, so you're seeing what's going on. I'm going to show you guys the finished product when it's done. I still got to put my dash back together. I still got to clean up these wires back here in the back of the engine bay. and I still got to put the, battery back together and all that, and then reset all my clocks and everything, and we'll test them out, see how they work. So I'm kind of hoping for the best, because I did mix a 16 gauge wire with 14 gauge wire. So the wire I bought, they didn't have anything below 14 gauge, and I was using 16 gauge in the in the wiring harness. It was 16 gauge. I bought 14 gauge and used that. It should be okay. I used a 16 to 14 butt splice, so I would hope that they will work, but I guess we'll just see. Anyway, guys, yeah, so once I get all that hooked up, I'll get back to you guys. So, yee. Alright, guys, I'm back, and I am stoked. Got the battery reconnected. Got all of this cable managed. It's zip tied to a brake line, but I promise I didn't hurt the brake line. I was super fragile. Obviously, you can tell the power's on because that's working. And when I reconnected the battery, my rock lights turned on immediately. So I'll have to get on my phone and turn those off. But let me show you guys what I got. And it's actually dark enough outside I can go out and show these. Oh, geez, I got so much stuff in this garage here. I'm trying to maneuver around. Alright, let's flip these puppies on here. As you can see, this switch turns on, turns off. Here you guys go. Alrighty, let's go check them out. Those look awesome with the rock lights on. Alright, this ladder's gonna be the death of me. Sorry, guys. Let me show you what we're working with. It's gonna get really bright. Alrighty, let's go peep the other one. I like them, guys. I really like them. The only thing I got left to do is that one zip tie on the bumper that I said I was going to do. And other than that, we're ready to go. So anyway, guys, I'm going to do that, clean up this garage, we'll take it outside, and we'll test it out. So, yee. Alright, guys, so we're back in the Jeep, going to see what the new lights look like. So first off, I'm going to turn this off and look out. That's what it looks like with just the headlights. That's with the light bar. Okay, the light bar is kind of angled down. I still got some repairs to make to it. But this is the new lights. Let's peep those out outside. Also, my rock lights are still on. I haven't shut them off yet. But I mean, those look friggin' sick. Those are going to make for some good Instagram posts, ladies and gentlemen. Let's back up, get a good look at that. Oh boy. Ooh, those are bright. I like those. Being little lights, they're not too bad. Kind of parked in the mud pit, though. Ooh. Knocked off my feet. Alright, guys. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. These are awesome. I'm super stoked about them. Awesome addition to the Jeep. I think the next addition is gonna have to be the backlights. We'll see. Maybe I'll just put some on the roof rack. Who knows? But anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social medias down below in the description. And until next time, guys, this is your boy Michael signing out. Peace.
While the world goes out